Hello everyone and welcome back to Scaredy Cat Reacts. My name is Kim and I'm scared of horror movies. Do you guys like my new setup? So I took all of my Mickey Mouse ears and Disney wall art off the wall because it was time for a change and because I have a new obsession. It's called cross-stitching, and these are all the cross-stitchings that I've done so far. Plus I make a couple shirts now. This is a cross-stitched chill out shirt. Love it so much. Down below I will put a link to a shared Instagram account that I created all for the stitching art that I've done so far with my Westie, Lissa. She lives in Seattle and she makes all of the patterns. She's a creative genius. But anyway, I just wanted to show off my new setup. I thought it was really cool. I just realized I didn't light my candle. Give me a minute. Okay, now we can start. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be watching and reacting to 2017's It. This is a Stephen King novel adaptation. It's also a remake. They made it originally in the 1980s as like a mini-series, but I've not seen either version of this movie. So this is actually just chapter 1. There is a sequel, and if you like this video today, please let me know, and let me know if you want me to watch the sequel. As always, I want to preface this video with a warning. There will be scary or maybe potentially gross things I will be reacting to in today's video, and if that's too disturbing, trust me, I get it. I don't blame you. Please hit the like button on your way out. I will very much appreciate it. No hard feelings, really. And finally, spoilers ahead. Obviously, I will be reacting to clips and scares and whatnots, so if you don't want to be spoiled, click out now. Without any further ado, let's watch the video. Hello, it's a different day. If you haven't watched these videos before, I'm going to put the clips I'm reacting to here, sitting in the total darkness except for my ring light, which keeps falling. Sorry about that. And I'm going to watch it on my laptop. So here we go. This is a little too feel good for a scary movie. Ate the whole arm. No! His little nub. Oh no! And that old lady, queen of minding her own business. Wow, Stephen King really wrote this movie, huh? He ate a whole child. So rude. Mind your business. Why is every adult an asshole? Reading the origin of Pennywise here. Oh no, 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 what is that lady in the background doing? Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that lady. No! Like, is this worth it? Walking around in a damn sewer? For one child that you could just find another day? pull up a lot of hair. Oh, blood. Ugh. Oh, no. Yo, she don't deserve that. That's fucked up. Oh, Lord have mercy. Can this clown give these children just 1 minute? This movie is 2 hours long. Do we really need a cleaning montage? Oh no. Oh no, baby. Oh no. Oh no, baby. Oh, hell no. How did we never get a Halloween Horror Nights house for this? This would have been such a good house. Don't do that. Why you gotta do that? Oh boy. Oh no. Oh god. I hate it. You know what? That's what he deserves. What? Billy? You dumb idiot. You know what? Let Billy go. It's time. It's time to just let him go. It's time to just let Billy be what he is, okay? He wants to be the hero? Go. Oh, 45 more minutes! Fuck! This movie is so long! God. And it's 2 movies! Like, we really needed the whole goddamn book? Shorten it. Good for her. Fuck. Pennywise! Can't handle it. So that's what he means when he says you'll float too. Stanley, focus, buddy. Don't be going after these voices! What is wrong with you people? Getting so mad. These stupid kids. I'm just getting so freaking angry. Someone kill this kid. Someone kill him or I'm gonna do it myself. I'm rooting for Pennywise. I'm rooting for him. I'm rooting for him now. I'm over it. I'm over it. Let's go, Pennywise. Let's go. give him. I'd give him. I would. Bye. Bye, Bill. Okay, but like, how do you kill this thing? Because let's go.
She wasn't afraid. We aren't either. Not anymore. Now you're the one who's afraid. Swear, if it isn't dead, if it ever comes back, we'll come back too.
Bill, enough. I feel like I'm tired of this child. And how is your arm not better? It's been like 3 months. That's fair. So like, what happened to all those floating kids? Where are they at? Oh, thank God. Okay, so I really liked this movie. I think the kids did a really good job with acting and being terrified. It was great. I really like how Pennywise played on the fears. I liked the aesthetic and atmosphere of a small town 1980s America. However, I do have some notes. This movie is 2 hours and 14 minutes long. That is about 34 minutes more than I really wanted. It felt like really repetitive at times as well. Like every single kid followed every single voice and vision that they experienced, even after they knew that the voices and visions were fake. And they just kept doing it. It was so annoying. They were like, "What's that? Someone's calling my name? Oh, I should go check that out." Enough. I also thought the bully kid storyline was too much. Like, I get it. You want to establish that these kids were like losers and they were picked on and da-da-da-da. That's fine. But if you had to show the bully at all, it should have just ended with the rock war. Honestly, like, they won the rock war. Done. We don't need the bully's backstory. I don't need to see him getting abused by his dad. I don't need to see him killing his dad. The book is 900 pages long. You can cut some out of it. Likewise, I don't feel like I needed to see every single kid's fear manifested. Like, you've got 6 kids, was it? And every single one had like a fully established fear. I feel like you could have just mentioned some kids' fears in like passing dialogue. I feel like they could have just incorporated that fear into like the final battle with Pennywise, and like I could have just assumed, yeah, okay, that's this kid's greatest fear. I don't need a backstory for why the Jewish kid, I can't remember his name right now, sorry, is afraid of this painting. Like, there was not one single supportive parent, guardian, teacher, heck, even the librarian was like, "Why are you in here? It's summer, stop reading, Chunky," and like sends the kid out to play or something. I might be remembering that wrong, but the point is, there was not a single nice adult in this whole movie. And what was that about? Stephen King, who hurt you? Who hurt you? I'm sure one of my gripes are gonna piss one of you off, and that's okay. You guys can feel free to yell at me about it in the comments below. It just boosts my engagement, so fine by me. Despite all of my complaints, I actually really liked this movie. I wouldn't be opposed to finishing out the series and seeing the sequel if that's something that you guys want me to do. Let me know in the comments down below. It was sufficiently scary without being overly traumatizing, which is nice. And like I said, the 80s aesthetic touched me right in my nostalgic little heart. If you made it through this very long video, sorry about that. I tried to cut it down as much as I can, but the movie was 2 hours. You can't blame me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. As we get closer to Halloween, I'm gonna try to do more of these reaction videos along with some other like sort of creepy Halloween-y-esque videos. I'm so excited for Halloween. Are you guys excited? I'm so excited. But if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.